Have you ever wondered how to make a website with 3D scroll animations without using any code? Today, we'll do just that using Figma and Dora. Before we dive in, make sure to download our free UI/UX playbook with practical design tips and tricks. All right, let's get started. We already have a website design in Figma. If you want to follow along, you can find the free source file in the description below this video. To get started, select the frame and open the Figma to Dora plugin. Now, copy the layers to your clipboard and head over to dora.run. Dora is awesome for designing and publishing 3D and animated sites, all without a code. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and register for free. Now, let's create a new project. When you do, you'll notice a desktop size frame is automatically created. Let's change that to a MacBook 16-inch. Before we go any further, it's important to match our frame height in Dora to the one we have in Figma. For us, it's 5,772 pixels. Now, we're going to paste our layers into this new frame. This part might take a few seconds, or even a couple of minutes. A quick tip: try unselecting the frame while it's processing. I found that this often speeds things up a bit. Once your design is in Dora, you might notice that some elements look a bit off. Feel free to adjust their position, delete them, or even recreate them directly in Dora. Now, let's enhance our design by incorporating 3D models. Head over to sketchfab.com, a great resource for both free and paid 3D models. I'm going to search for ocean animals and set filters to show only downloadable and animated models that are free. But feel free to look for any specific animal you like. Once you've found a model you like, go ahead and download it in GLB format. Now that we've got our 3D model, it's time to bring it into Dora. Find the 3D icon in the top bar and click and drag to create a 3D widget. Once that's set up, import the 3D model you just downloaded. Every 3D widget in Dora contains a built-in default camera. To zoom in or out, just use your mouse wheel. If you want to rotate the model, left-click and drag. And if you want to move it around, simply right-click and drag. If you prefer, you can also adjust the values in the right sidebar. To see the animation, select the layer right below the 3D scene and toggle it on. Next, let's make sure our design looks good on different screen sizes. To do that, adjust the 3D widget frame width to 100 viewport width. Now, for the main attraction on this page, I'll be using a 3D model of a sea turtle. There are some free options out there, but for this tutorial, I'm using a paid one. I'll include links to the 3D models in the description, along with some free alternatives. Once you've picked your 3D model, download it and bring it into Dora. Just like before, set the width to 100 viewport width and connect the 3D widget with the viewport top. Now, when you open the keyframe panel and move the viewport, your sea turtle should move along with it. Fantastic! We're now ready to bring this sea turtle to life. So first things first, let's select the default camera. Add your first keyframe when the handle is at 0. Now, slide the handle over to 32 and add a second keyframe. Here's where we get a little precise. Adjust the values in the right sidebar according to the settings I'm using. This way, you can get the same animation I've got down to the last detail. Next, move your handle to 88 and add another keyframe and tweak the values again. At 120, add your next keyframe and fine-tune the values. These incremental changes are what's going to make your animation smooth and eye-catching. All right, move the handle to 170. And yes, you guessed it. Another keyframe and another round of adjustments. It might seem like a lot of steps, but the final effect will be worth it. Let's keep going. Move the handle to 235. Add a keyframe and adjust the values. Almost there. Slide to 280 and adjust the values. Lastly, move the handle to 310 and adjust the values one more time. That's it. Let's check out how all this effort pays off. The animated sea turtle really brings the design to life. This kind of dynamic element is not just eye-catching. It's also on trend in the design world, offering an immersive experience to your users. Before we wrap up, there's one more crucial tip. To make your entire website responsive, don't forget to add constraints to your elements directly in Dora. This ensures that your design adjusts beautifully on different screen sizes. It's worth mentioning that Dora is still evolving. While it's pretty awesome already, you might run into some limitations, especially when it comes to responsiveness. But the good news is that the platform is getting better all the time. So keep an eye out for updates, as it's likely to offer an even better experience in the near future. To get your website live, just hit publish, and that's it. You've transformed your static Figma design into a vibrant, animated 3D website. See you in the next video.